Hello my crafty friends, it's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my craft room. I wanted to share with you today what I have picked up from Globleland.com. So yes, I collaborate with them, and this time I picked out several ribbons. Let me show you this little package first, and then I'll show you that gorgeousness. So yes, I will have all the products listed underneath this video in my description box, and I will have a link for a coupon code, or we will have the coupon code and a link to the website. So yes, I've been collaborating with Globleland.com for a little while now, and I've been happy with all the products. The quality is great. If you go to the website, you will see lots of different types of goodies. Just, check it out because they have so many different things if you've never even looked at it. And so these are packages of ribbon. I believe they both have the same. They're in a different order. Maybe I took them out, maybe I didn't. But yeah, 2 packages of the same ribbon. So let me see. Let me open. Did I open one up? I think I opened this one up. Yeah, it looks like I maybe opened this one up. So this was one order of this ribbon. All came, one. This is not 2 orders. You get 2 packages, and it doesn't say how much is on each one, does it? Maybe it does out here. But yeah, it looks like these are. The reason I like these, I like to get different sizes of ribbons because there's so many different things you can use ribbon for in our paper crafting and junk journal making and things like that. So little thinner ones like this are really easy to use as trims or as toppers for our tags, or you could sew them and use them as trim on a journal card too, or you can use always little pieces and things like that in maybe even a cluster. So let me show you. These are grosgrain type ribbons, so they're thick, nice quality. But let me show you little patterns and colors here. I think they're really pretty. That's one. There is, 6 different patterns here. You get a good amount on each. It's not like tons, but it's a good amount. And you get 2 of them, like I said, 2 packages. So you got 2 spools of each of these. So you can see right there. In the link, it'll tell you how much is, how much ribbon you get for the price. So that's one. Let's see now. I guess that was the only one I took the, let me see, I think that's the only one I took the plastic off of. You can kind of see through it. You can see that that's a nice pink one, a nice light pink one. And then this one has a kind of lacy look to it, or almost like a honeycomb look, but it's pink. Let me open this one so we can really see this good. I'd like to see it really good too. Oh, you know what? Hold on one second. I've got my window open, or my curtain open today because it's afternoon right now, and nice sunny day here in my part of North Carolina. We have, if you're from other parts of the world, not the U.S., even the U.S., North Carolina tends to be a very sunny state. We do have our share of rain, not hardly any snow really around here, especially the last couple of years. And no snow this year yet, so yes, we've had some cloudy and rainy days, but I would say mostly sunny days year-round here in North Carolina. So it's a very nice sunny state to live in. I heard some people that were from another state that moved here told me it was dark in the state they came from all winter long, and I was like, really? I didn't know. Yeah, I really didn't know that was a thing. That it was actually dark all winter long in some places. I mean, maybe Alaska, but I didn't realize that. So I come from Florida, and now I live in North Carolina. And they're both actually, sunny states. So how would I know, right? I've never lived north of here, so yeah. So Anyway, if you didn't know, North Carolina is a primarily sunny state. Even though it does get cold, it is sunny. So that is very nice because I like the sun, right? Who doesn't? I certainly do. So anyway, this is another pink. This has a nice kind of solid satiny line down the middle. That is pretty. And you can see the like grosgrain texture on either side of that. But that's a, you know, like a more salmony pink, a more a little bit brighter pink. And so we get two light pinks, that kind of plaid one, that one. And then, let's see, this one I think you could see pretty good. It's kind of like a scallop. It's got white with a scallop on it. A very nice, kind of almost like a, you would edge punch a paper. You've got a little kind of lacy design there that looks like an edge punch. And I will be demonstrating these. I'll be doing 2 videos showing you, you know, actually gluing them down on something. Or, I mean, these could even be used for journal closures. I think this one might be a little harder to see. Let me see if I can get this one off. There's a little tab here. Maybe that's how you're actually supposed to pull it off. This one's more toward the red color. Actually, it is. I think it's pretty like standard red. So, and you can see there's a design there, which is really pretty and different than anything I have or have seen. So yeah, I like all of those. I'm glad I picked those out. This one is smooth, by the way. This one is smooth, not grosgrain on that side. It's kind of the grosgrain thickness, but not the little ribbed texture. So very, very nice ribbon there in that package. And those came in a little Ziploc bag. Probably this one right here that I have. So I kept everything together as I got it in the mail and opened it. I'm always excited to get my packages from Globleland, and I like to look at them right away. So the other ones, I know I read the yardage of the ribbon, but I didn't really realize what it would look like, how much that yardage would look like until I got it. So here's what I got. This Ziploc bag full of this beautiful blue ribbon. So let's take this, let me take this out and show you. I've got a spool here of this blue ribbon that will last me forever. It's a beautiful, pretty blue. So I'm going to try to use this a lot because it's gorgeous. I mean, look at that pretty blue. If you like blue, you will love this ribbon. And it is grosgrain. It's about, what, 1/2 inch wide. These are like 1/4 inch. And this is more of a 1/2 inch type size with the white polka dots there. And let me actually, I wonder if it's 3/4 of an inch, or is it actually 1/2 inch? It'll tell you in the listing, but I want to kind of see and remind myself also. Yeah, it might be considered more 3/4 of an inch actually. Yeah, I think it's actually more than 1/2 inch, so probably it's probably going to be described as like 3/4 or 5/8 or something like that. But really, really gorgeous, and a ton of it. So that will definitely be linked below, and I'll definitely be showing you. I mean, wouldn't that be beautiful for anything? I mean, even in tassels, I could use any of these in tassels too, even this larger size, So that one, and then also look at this one. They all came in their own little Ziploc bags. They're very well protected during shipping. Look how big this spool is. I was like, oh, what did I do? What did I do? So I, again, have tons of this beautiful pink ribbon. And thank you, Globleland, for sharing this with me. I mean, they certainly do not have to do this for people. And so it was very kind of them to collaborate with people to show you, and what they really have there and what it is, and get people's opinions. So like I said, this is all very nice quality. This again is grosgrain. This is more of the 1/4 inch size, which I absolutely love. This beautiful pink. I mean, this is going to just be this blue and this pink could go just about, I don't know, I'm picturing it in so many journals, right? And it's just gorgeous. So I mean, it's just very, very beautiful. I just can't even describe to you. I mean, I'm not exaggerating. I just love it so much. It's so pretty. And I mean, who doesn't love pretty things, right? So anyway, thank you for watching the unboxing today. I will see you in my next video. And also in the next two videos, I will be just demonstrating, my next two Globleland videos, that is, I will be just demonstrating these ribbons. So thank you for watching today. I will see you then. Have a great day and see you later.